Welcome to GK class. Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope so you all are also well and good. Today class will start a prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. श्लोक बोलेंगे. या कुंदेन्दु तुषार हार धवला या या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माचितशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवी सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती Open your eyes, kids. Today we are going to study subject birds name. So kids, first one we have already learned in write to birds name. So start. CROW, crow. Pigeon, PIGEON, pigeon. First one हमने ये दो words ने सीखे थे. See here now pictures. Bird, pigeon, PIGEON, pigeon means kabutar. And then next one bird name crow. CROW, crow. Crow means cowdo. This crow color is black. So kids, and then next one we have already learned and write two birds name. Peacock, 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 peacock. And second bird's name HEN, 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 hen. So kids, उसके बाद pigeon and crow, उसके बाद हमने ये दोनों birds name सीख लिए हैं. See here now pictures. See now bird peacock. Bird peacock. Peacock is national bird. Peacock is national bird. And then hen. See now this picture is hen. HEN, hen. HEN, hen. So kids, here we write now first one. We have already learned and write the bird name. PIGEON, pigeon. And then next one CROW, crow. Next one PEACOCK, peacock. And hen, HEN, hen. So birds name here we have already learned and write too. And today we will learn and write birds name. First one sparrow, SPARROW, sparrow means chakli. See here now pictures. Sparrow, this one sparrow. This one bird is sparrow, SPARROW, sparrow. And then next one, which picture is this? This is a parrot, 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 parrot. Sparrow means chakli and then parrot means poppet. So parrot color is parrot. And here we write now bird's name. First one SPARROW, sparrow, and PARROT, parrot. So kids, now again write your sparrow in down. First letter capital in compulsory. GK writing SPARROW, sparrow means chakli. SPARROW, sparrow means chakli. SPARROW, sparrow. SPARROW, sparrow means chakli. And then next one, second part in bird name, parrot. PARROT, parrot. PARROT, parrot means poppet. PARROT, parrot means poppet. PARROT, parrot. So kids, you have write in this GK नोटबुक. आपको GK की नोटबुक में ऐसे दो पार्ट बना के फर्स्ट वन साइड इन स्पैरो स्पेलिंग एंड सेकेंड वन साइड इन पैरट स्पेलिंग पूरे पेज में डाउन लिखना है और लर्निंग. ओके, बाय.